Getting the Combase.dll missing or not found error in Windows 11. In this video, I'll show you 3 fixes to resolve it fast. Open Run using the Windows and R key combination. Type CMD and press Ctrl+Shift+Enter to open command prompt as administrator. If the UAC prompts you, then click on Yes. Enter the command given below SFC/scano. Wait for some time until the scan completes. Restart your PC and check if the error occurs while using or performing an application install. If the error still persists, open command prompt as administrator again. Type the following command to run the DISM tool to repair and restore PC health. DISM/online/cleanup image/restore health reboot your system once the scan completes. Now check if the problem is resolved. Press Windows+S and type CMD in the search box. Right-click on Command Prompt in the search result and click on Run as Administrator. Type the command below to re-register the DLL file, regsvr32 Combase.dll. Wait until you see a message saying that the DLL is successfully registered. Once this process completes, check if the issue still exists by performing the operation that had raised it. Open Settings app. Click on System in the left pane. In the Recovery page, click on Reset PC in the Reset this PC option as shown below. In the Reset this PC window, you will get to choose between 2 options. That is Keep My Files and Remove Everything. Keep My Files option will not delete any of your personal files, data, but will remove all other apps and settings. Remove Everything option will delete everything including personal data, files, apps, and settings. Please click on Keep My Files or Remove Everything to continue. Then click on Local Reinstall to proceed. This window notifies you that additional settings will also get affected. Please click Next to proceed. Finally, click on Reset button as shown below. This will start resetting your system, and please wait patiently till it's finished. After the restart, your system will work smoothly. Thanks for watching. If it helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe.